Fáilte, welcome back to another beginner Irish mini lesson for our newsletter subscribers. If you're watching this later on YouTube, you can subscribe to that same newsletter down below in the description. We're going to look at how to say hello in Irish to one person, to more than one person, because it gets a little bit tricky with the grammar and how we say hello in Irish. But let's take a look at it slowly and we'll go over it as much as we can, and you can also look back on it as many times as you want. So hello to one person in Irish translates as saying God with you or God for you. So dia is God in Irish and dit means for you. So it's basically God for you is the literal translation, but of course it just means hello. So it's hello to one person. Hello to one person is dia dit, dia dit. Now it is pronounced different in different dialects. There are three main dialects of the Irish language. There is Ulster, Munster and Connacht, because these are our Irish speaking areas of Ireland. There is the Standard Irish as well, which closely resembles the Munster variation. So this is dia dit, and then in Connacht it'd be dia chuts. So they do add a H in there. It makes the sound softer. Dia chuts. And the D in dia is pronounced like a J or a G sound, especially in Ulster, gia chuts. Okay, now when you're saying hello back to someone, so someone says hello to you, you're saying hello back, you say God and Mary with you. So they've said God for you or God with you, and you're going to reply with God and Mary. So this is dia smura duts. Dia is smura duts. It's God and Mary with you. Again, you can pop this into aber.ie and you're going to be able to hear it in all of the different dialects. Now, because we were saying God with you, and that was to one person, when we have more than one person, then we have to change this you part because we're using you plural. So if you're saying hello to more than one person, you say dia div, because you're saying God with both of you, not just God with one of you. So dia div, or in Connacht dia chuib. And this is hello to more than one person. Now, Fon Lumen shots, stay with me here. So these people are saying hello back to this man, but there's only one of him. So they're going to say dia smurchuts, exactly how we saw when you say hello back to one person. Dia smurchuts, because he's only one person. So he said hello to two people. That was dia smurchuib or dia smurdiv. And they're saying hello back to one person. Dia smurduts, so God and Mary with you. Then of course, if there are two fellas here, these two ladies, they're saying hello back to these two guys. So they've said dia div, they've said hello to these girls, these ladies, and these ladies are saying hello back. There's more than one of them, so they say dia smurdiv, God and Mary with both of you. Dia smurdiv. Okay, beginning to share a little bit of revision because that's a lot. So saying hello to one person is dia dits. Or in Connacht, where I lived, dia chuts. When you say hello back to one person, you say dia smurduts. Dia is smurduts or dia smurchuts. God and Mary with you. When you're saying hello to two people, you say dia chuib or dia div or dia chuib. Hello to more than one person. And then hello back to more than one person is dia smurdiv or dia smurchuib. I hope that helped a little bit for saying hello in Irish. It is tricky, you do get used to it after some practice. And if you are interested in learning the Irish language, all of the basics and being able to speak some Irish and understand the Irish around you or the language of your ancestors, then you can sign up for our Gaeilge for Beginners course right down below in the description as well. Gurv Míle Maith, thank you so much. I'll see you next week. Slán go fóill. Bye for now.